I started this company 7 years ago with a laser focus on doing one thing, and that was to help companies just like yours go through a formal messaging development process so that they can get more from every one of their sales and marketing dollars that they invest. I have spoken with several hundreds of executives about the strategic importance of messaging to their business, and most often than not, I will get a resounding, yes, it's absolutely essential for me to be successful response. Many times, however, I have not, and there's many of the executives I've spoken to that have blinders on, and they say, no, we get it, we got it, it's under control, no problem. My team understands what we're trying to communicate to my customers. And then I'll ask them a simple question, and that is, if I brought in your VP of sales, your VP of marketing, your best salesperson, and your best customer service person, and I asked them, who are you and what does your company do, and I get a consistent response back. And their eyes open up big, and they're like, holy cow, I get it. Messaging is more than just handing someone a brochure. It's a formal process of delivering your company's story to the markets that you're trying to reach. And like I said, that's really what we're talking about today. Time passes, we all get busy, right? I asked earlier, how many times, when was the last time you really looked at your message and looked at it against the competition? Markets and customer requirements change. So your message, what was your message 10 months ago, let alone 5 years ago or a year ago, is probably should be dramatically different today. And I've got a case study later that talks about a company that maybe waited too long to readdress and reassess their message, and as a result has undergone greater competition. Strategies evolve. Think about it. Is your business today the exact same it was 2 years ago? Or are there different attributes to your business, different service offerings, different product offerings? Does your message currently reflect that? In a lot of cases, no. And then competition adapts. You know, I don't know if any of you are in highly competitive categories, but pretty soon everybody starts to sound and look alike. So we've got to figure out a way to continue to move the needle and change the overall positioning and message of our business. When it comes to marketing, the cancer of this field is lack of focus. Trying to be all things to all people. Trying to tailor your message to make sure I don't miss out on a target audience opportunity. Well, guess what? You try to do that, you're going to miss out on more than one target audience. You're going to miss out on all of them. So true differentiation comes from an intense, disciplined focus on a single message. Challenge yourself. Challenge yourself to go to market with a strong single message. I promise it will work much stronger than to try to say 10 things to 10 different people. This meeting and this message is about you going back to your office and making sure that at some point on your calendar and on your priority list, message audit, message development, and improvement should be there. It sounds basic, and you know what? It really is. If you put the time, resources, and talent against it. And I'm telling you, if you do, you'll be so much further ahead than your competition. Because there's not many people doing it and doing it right.